Imagine making $37 per hour just by watching YouTube videos. Sounds crazy, right? Well, it's completely possible, and in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can do it. Stay with me until the end to learn the step-by-step process and strategies to maximize your earnings. By the end of this video, you'll know how to get started and how to turn your YouTube time into cash. Hey there, welcome back to the channel where we help you discover the best ways to make money online. Today, I'm going to reveal how you can make up to $37 per hour just by watching YouTube videos. I'll walk you through the exact steps, share some important strategies, and by the end of this video, you'll be able to start earning. If you're new here, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel so you never miss out on any of our easy money-making tips. Watch all the way to the end because I'm going to explain how you can boost your earnings using a simple trick that most people don't know about. Alright, let's get into it. One of the best platforms to make money by watching YouTube videos is Microworkers. Now, what is Microworkers? It's a micro-tasking platform that pays you to complete small, simple jobs. These tasks can include things like signing up for websites, taking surveys, and yes, watching YouTube videos. Here's how it works. Businesses or individuals post tasks they want completed, and you get paid for doing them. The amount of money you earn depends on the task, but one of the easiest and quickest tasks is watching YouTube videos. Some tasks pay $0.62 just to watch a video for less than 10 minutes. And the best part, you don't need any special skills or prior experience. You just sign up, browse available tasks, and select the ones that involve watching YouTube videos. It's a legitimate way to earn money, and you can do it in your spare time. Here's how to get started on Microworkers and begin earning money by watching videos. Sign up for a free account, go to the Microworkers website, and create an account. It only takes a few minutes. Complete your profile, fill out your profile to help match you with the best tasks. This also verifies your account so you can start earning. Browse video watching tasks. Look for tasks that involve watching YouTube videos. These are often listed as short tasks that take just a few minutes to complete. Watch the video. Once you pick a task, all you need to do is watch the video for the required amount of time. Some tasks may ask you to leave a like or comment, but it's all very straightforward. Submit your task and get paid. After completing the task, submit it for approval, and your earnings will be added to your account. Once you've earned enough, you can withdraw your money via PayPal or other payment methods. Now let me show you how you can make $37 per hour by watching YouTube videos on Microworkers. Let's use an example task. You find a job on the platform that pays $0.62 to watch a YouTube series that's less than 10 minutes long. Let's say you can watch and complete 6 videos in an hour. That's $3.72 per hour with just one account. Not bad for simply watching videos, right? But here's where the real strategy comes in. If you create multiple Google accounts, you can multiply your earnings. For example, if you have 10 Google accounts and you complete the same task on each of them, that's $37.20 per hour. You're doing the same work, but earning 10 times the amount by using this simple trick. This is a game changer for anyone looking to maximize their income from watching videos. Now that you know the basic steps, let's look at a few strategies that can help you maximize your earnings. Create multiple Google accounts. As I just explained, having multiple accounts is key to increasing your earnings. Many platforms allow this, and as long as you follow the rules, you can earn much more. Use different platforms, don't rely on just Microworkers. There are other similar platforms that offer paid tasks for watching videos, so you can diversify and find more opportunities. Watch videos while multitasking. If the platform allows it, watch videos in the background while you do other things like working or even relaxing. This way, you're earning money passively. Set dedicated time. Block off specific times of the day to focus on these tasks. The more consistent you are, the more you'll earn over time. Keep an eye on high-paying tasks. Some tasks pay more than others, so make sure to check for new opportunities regularly. High-paying tasks can go fast. Now, while Microworkers is one of the best platforms for getting paid to watch YouTube Swagbucks is another trusted platform where you can earn money or gift cards by watching videos, including YouTube content. With Swagbucks, you earn points for watching videos, and those points can be exchanged for PayPal cash or gift cards. It's another great way to increase your earnings and add variety to your tasks, depending on how much time you dedicate to it. If you follow these steps and make the most of your time by using multiple accounts and platforms, you can maximize your earnings and really start to see the money add up. And that's how you can make $37 per hour just by watching YouTube videos. With the right strategy, you can easily turn this into a profitable side hustle. So what are you waiting for? Start today, follow the tips I've shared, and watch your earnings grow. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like it, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on more tips and tricks to make money online. Let me know in the comments if you're going to try this method and share your experience. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Now you know how to start making $37 per hour just by watching YouTube videos. It's that easy.